In our last video, we showed you a powerful doctor-approved juice you should drink every morning to detox your liver naturally. And the feedback? Incredible, many of you have already started trying it, and we love hearing your results. But here's the thing, if you're serious about healing and cleansing your liver, what you eat the rest of the day matters just as much. So in today's video, we're going even deeper. Welcome to Healthy Health Hub, your trusted source for science-backed natural remedies, clean eating tips, and everyday health hacks that actually work. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We drop new health videos every week. Today, you'll discover the top 5 foods that cleanse the liver naturally. And spoiler alert, you might already have some of them in your kitchen. These foods are backed by science, loved by doctors, and easy to start using immediately. And if you haven't seen that morning detox juice video yet, click the link on the screen or check the description below. It's the perfect first step before adding today's foods to your routine. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower. These veggies are a detox dream for your liver. They contain glucosinolates, which help trigger the liver's detox enzymes. Think of them as little switches that turn on your liver's ability to process toxins faster and better. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate broccoli regularly had higher levels of enzymes that clean the liver. Add these to your stir-fries, salads, or even green smoothies. Start with small portions and let your gut adjust. Number 2. Garlic. If you watched our last video, you already know this one made it into our morning detox drink, and here's why. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound that boosts your liver's antioxidant power and helps flush out toxins. It's also rich in selenium, which the liver needs to function properly. One study showed garlic can actually help reverse fatty liver buildup in people with poor diets. The best part? Just 1 clove a day, raw or cooked, is enough to make a difference. Add it to soups, stews, or your juice. Just maybe keep a mint handy. Number 3. Berries, especially blueberries, cranberries. These are more than just sweet treats. They're full of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that protect liver cells. A 2016 study in World Journal of Gastroenterology found that blueberries, in particular, help reduce oxidative stress in the liver and improve immune cell response. Tip: choose fresh or frozen berries, skip the sugary juices. Use them in smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them plain as a snack. Number 4. Olive oil. Surprised? Don't be. Not all fats are created equal, and extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat, especially for liver health. A study published in World Journal of Hepatology found that daily olive oil consumption led to lower liver enzyme levels and reduced fat buildup in the liver. It's best raw. Drizzle over salads, dip with whole grain bread, or add a spoon to your morning routine. And if you really want to level up, try a teaspoon of olive oil followed by warm lemon water in the morning. Your liver will thank you. Number 5. Lemon and other citrus fruits. Now, if you've already started your day with our morning detox juice, this will sound familiar. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which supports the production of glutathione, one of your liver's key detox enzymes. They also stimulate bile production, helping your body break down fats and carry out waste more efficiently. Pro tip: start your morning with warm lemon water, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then have your detox juice. It's a 1-2 punch that kicks your liver into gear gently and naturally. And again, if you missed the exact drink recipe, click the link on the screen now or head to the description to watch that video next. Quick recap: here's your liver cleansing grocery list. 1. Cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower. 2. Garlic, detox support, anti-inflammatory. 3. Berries, antioxidant-rich and liver protective. 4. Olive oil, healthy fat that reduces liver fat. 5. Lemon, boosts glutathione and bile flow. These are not miracle cures, but they are daily habits that work over time when paired with a clean lifestyle. Here are some liver-friendly habits to add today. Want to get the most out of these foods? Drink enough water. Your liver needs it to flush toxins. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Detox happens while you rest. Avoid alcohol and processed foods. Use turmeric and ginger to support liver enzymes. And of course, start your day with that detox juice. If you're ready to take charge of your health naturally, hit the like button right now, drop a comment below. Which of these liver-loving foods are already in your kitchen? Are you trying the morning juice? Let us know how it's going, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Health Hub for more natural health videos every week. We've got upcoming episodes on gut health, anti-inflammatory diets, and even daily detox routines you can stick with long-term. Click the bell icon so you never miss a post. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next video.